The armored Bentley Bentayga from INKAS is offered with a 6.0-liter Twin Turbo W12 engine, producing an impressive 600 horsepower and 664 foot-pounds of torque, and is coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift control. In addition to its impressive force, it comes fully equipped with state-of-the-art safety features such as terrain response system, head-up display, blind spot detection, lane keep assist, and 360-degree parking aid and park assist. This armored Bentayga is not only superior in performance and safety, but it also features the ideal experience in luxury and comfort. Features include 24-way climate and massage from seats with climate-exclusive class rear seats, automatic access height, configurable ambient interior lighting, heated wood and leather steering wheel, and a signature surround sound system. Apart from its standard safety features, INKAS adds armoring solutions to protect occupants from the dangers found in the hostile outside world. The INKAS proprietary overlap system is integrated to provide 360 parameter protection up to CEN BR6 armor level. The armored Bentley Bentayga is an outstanding vehicle as is. However, INKAS engineers have transformed it into an armored fortress to ensure the safety and security of yourself and your loved ones.